My name's Joe, product manager here at Fairwinds, and I'm excited to share with you a new feature where we've added to the action items page called the summary view. So sometimes the action items page can be a little overwhelming if you're trying to get an at-a-glance view at the types of issues in your organization. And that's really where the summary page comes into view. What summary does is allows you to aggregate by one or many dimensions the data from the All Items tab, as well as filter and slice and dice that information so you can get a better sense of what's going on. So let's kind of take a common example here. Sometimes organizations really just want to understand which of their namespaces, have the most issues so that they can kind of focus there first and also identify potential application owners who are responsible for those issues. So in this case, I just aggregated all of our findings by namespace, and by default, the view will sort the rows by the number of open issues in descending order. So I can kind of see here the top offending namespaces. Now, one of my applications here is in the Jenkins production namespace. And so I actually want to get a little bit of a deeper dive in terms of what's going on in Jenkins production. So let me go and filter on that. And let me also kind of see the types of issues that might exist. So I'm going to also add the category filter. And we can see here by further aggregating the data that security issues still remain a top priority for the Jenkins production namespace, and I've got about 9 critical issues there. I'm going to do some additional filtering, and I'm going to add the title and event type column, which is going to give me some further information around the biggest offending issues. And I can see here first that we've got new Helm charts available, which might indicate there are fixes or security bugs fixed. There's images with vulnerabilities. I've got containers where there's privilege escalation that shouldn't be allowed. And so now I'm getting a better, finer grained view into the types of issues that might exist in this namespace. So that's a little preview of the summary page. This is our 1.0 release, and we're excited to get your feedback so that we can continue iterating on it. Thanks again.